Right now. Now it's starting.
They're all getting crazy because we threw a couple nuts out there.
What kind of birds?
They cleaned it up. These are seagulls.
Gaviotas.
Couple blackbirds over there. You sure I don't have the squirrel on my back? Take a look. I feel something tapping on me.
No, it's a belt.
Okay.
It's moving with the air. The share belt.
That squirrel grabbed my wife at dinner today. Right, honey?
Yes.
And it was like Paul and I were like, oh, let me have some food. Oh, I think I got it.
That was awesome.
I think I got it. And he got the fish, I think. Hold on. I'll tell you in a minute.
You can do this with your fingers. Like
Oh,
that.
he got it. He got it. I know.
Get it closer or take the first seagull. Oh. Say something, sweet. Pretend you are
Okay, well.
in the TV news.
Okay, well, we got a guy using his net to catch some fish over here. Let's see how far the Gordo can hit with the net. I mean, you know, let's see. As long as he doesn't fall down, then we're going to send it to Funniest Videos. Okay, he's unraveling it. Let's see how good he casts this net. Okay, we're going to give him a grade, 1 through 10. He's getting ready. And let's see.
Take the seagulls. Take one more. They
Hold
say
on. I don't have any more. Here he goes. He's going to throw his net
no,
now.
take them.
Hold on. Watch this guy throw his net. Let's see how good he does it. What? Wait, I want to see the guy throw the net first, honey.
Okay, see the guy throw the
Yeah. Here he goes. Let's see how good he does. Not bad. Nah, it was a little not too good. He needs a lot of practice. You know? That's what happens when you're Gordo. You can't do things. You know? Anyway. I have a lot of room to talk. I'm a little Gordo. No, I'm not. You can make it smaller. Oh, the fish are jumping now.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Oh,
I
here comes
it.
the pelican. He's going to be getting it. He's going to be getting it. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Make it bigger. Keep an eye on that pelican. He's going to dive. Dive bomber. There he goes. There he goes.
Oh, I was not able to take it. You get lost with the boat,
Yeah.
with the image. I'm over here happy with the birds.
Okay. Oh, look at him. He's got his nut in his mouth, the blackbird. The one on the end.
Oh, yeah.
He's saving. He's saving it. He says, I'm not hungry now. I'm going to save this.
But
now.
this is my dinner. I'm going to save it for later.
Yeah, I'm saving this.
Oh, the little squirrel. Hi, baby. You want more nuts?
He's got a lot.
You already had a lot
got
of
a
them.
lot.
Where are yours?
Sweet.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Let's see if she'll come over here. Huh?
Hi, baby squirrel. Don't jump over me.
Let's see if she has a lot of nerve to come over near that plastic container.
Wildlife.
Don't
Right,
move
baby.
Don't move your foot.
Wildlife.
Oh, look at him. He's frogging.
Oh, she's happy.
She's frogging. She's
She's like brownie. She's
Yeah,
like,
she's
like
what
a
she's
brownie.
doing is she's showing her submissive.
Oh, what a sweet little girl,
I'll let you pet
boy,
me if you
whatever.
want. You see what I mean?
Oh, she's
That's
so
a
cute.
tame animal there.
Yeah.
She's used to people. She knows people don't hurt her. Don't move your foot, honey. Stop.
Why?
Because she might go near the container here.
Oh.
Oh, that's one of the nuts
Yeah,
there.
she find a
Yeah,
nut.
there's still another nut there. Now look at, she says, oh, can you rub my back? I'll turn around, you rub my foot.
Yeah, she's like...
Yeah. She wants us to pet her.
Yeah,
She wants us to pet her.
she wants us to pet it. Hey! Hi, little girl. Oh, boy. Hi, little girl. I think she's a girl.
There
What
you
do you
go.
think? She's a girl or boy? You want to give her water?
See what happens now. See what happens now. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. How beautiful. His face is with the white.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the beautiful eyes, honey. They're actually prettier looking when you really look at them close. Look at
They're
Squirrely
very
again.
beautiful.
He's like frogging.
Yeah. This is awesome wildlife. I want to live here, baby, okay? You can sell our home and build one over here. This is where I want to be, right here with all the...
We got a lot of nice wildlife over there.
You're right, yeah.
What's it called? Over there.
Tampa?
No. The place we went.
Leos. She's coming. It's getting closer. She's getting closer.
I'm thirsty. I'm wondering if I can get close. Can I trust you guys enough? I think you guys don't mind if I get
She's getting close to me. Maybe she thinks the phone is food. Okay, I have enough. I got enough.
good action today.
I'm sorry, I cannot take the parrots, like, because they green. They... It's hard to take them. Where is she? She's gone. Oh, that's awesome.
They're like little animals, like little dogs. You know?
Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody.
Where's that squirrel at? Is he behind me?
Right here on the side.
Just don't want him to jump on me.
No, she won't.
Oh no, they're good. They can jump on you to like thinking that you're okay.
Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. I'm wondering what that means when they move their tail like that. You know, baby, take a little piece of the food in the. You have my food in the cooler. Take a little potato and give it to her. A fry, a French fry. Hola, Gloria.
You got the fry.
Saludos. Oh. Se
And
está
she
comiendo
shows you, and she gives you a perfect picture to
una
take.
papita frita.
She says, look, I'm going to profile so you can watch me eat it. Because you
Yeah.
gave me this. Look at that. Can you believe how they profile for you? It's like they're saying, thank you. Now you can get my picture. Too
Hola.
quick of a motion.
Yeah. She's gone. She's afraid. Look at these guys. Los cuervos y las gaviotas. El mar. Yeah. Hey, ay, mi dedo. Aquí. Hey. ¿Dónde está el chico? Ok, ya se fue. Wildlife. Okay.